Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the effect at runtime so it's per player and editable. Create a local script in starter player scripts, then instantiate color correction effect and parent it to game get service. Lighting. Once done, set tint color with color 3. From RGB, then choose a baseline saturation, contrast, and brightness. This prevents server-side overrides and lets you tweak visuals live. Make sure values are reasonable, small changes read more naturally, and proceed to animate or refine them in the next step. Now you refine how color correction feels and why it matters. Change saturation, contrast, and brightness in small steps so skin tones and UI remain readable. Extreme values break immersion. Use color 3. From RGB to pick exact tints and tween service. Create to interpolate properties smoothly when day-night cycles or gameplay events occur. Once you wire listeners for time of day or region triggers, you can dynamically blend effects. Make sure to cache the effect reference so updates are immediate and not recreated every frame. Finish by testing across clients, play solo, and if relevant, device capture to validate mobile and desktop. If you don't see changes, make sure Studio's post-processing is enabled and your local script actually ran check output. Once done, lock a default preset and optionally expose sliders or debug commands so you can tweak values in-game. If another script overwrites the effect, namespace it or check execution order. Resolving that usually restores control immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.